What is up, folks? Today we are not fishing at Lake Steelhouse. We are fishing at Lake Belton. I'm going to try to get on some nice smallmouth bass. The lake record is like 6.5 pounds. The lake record largemouth is nearly 14, so we'll see if we catch some fish today. I guess we'll start right here by the ramp. This looks like a decent place to fish. I fished here once before and I didn't catch any bass. And so I don't know if this is the greatest place, but I know Lake Belton as a whole is very, very good. So hopefully we'll catch them. Oh, no way. Got him, guys. Oh, come here, come here, come here. Come here. Come in the boat. Not a smallmouth. Oh. Nice largemouth, though. There we go, guys. He is, wow, he is skinny. Get this bail open. Oh, he got that good. Gotta use the pliers to unhook him. Alright, there we go, guys. First one of the day. Adios. Well, folks, I caught that one about 10 feet off the bank. That was in deeper water than I've been fishing for the last 20 minutes since I got here. So maybe I can pattern that. Maybe they're farther off the bank than I first expected. Oh, you are kidding me. You are kidding me. You are kidding me. That was a big smallmouth. Usually I use bigger hooks, but they're actually, like, I've had these 4 JDM wacky rig hooks for like a year now, and I'm on my last one, so now I'm using this hook, and the only problem with this is it gets into the bait a lot and you lose a lot of fish, so that kind of sucks. As you can see off in the distance, a big storm started to move in and I was hearing a lot of thunder, so I decided to get off the water. The rest of this video is me bank fishing right before I left and before the storm hit. There we go. Yeah. Oh, God. What? It's a decent one. There's one chilling right there. There we go, guys. It's a nice one.
This clip happened really fast, so I figured I'd analyze it for you in slow motion. So I set the hook, and the bass, which is tiny, it just like flew out of the water once I set the hook. And as you can see, I try to catch it because it's way up in the air, and it comes down and it slams down on the one rock that's like on the shore and kind of in the water right there. So it flops around, it's off the hook now. It flops onto the bank, so I'm trying to grab it because, you know, I want to show it off to the camera. I want it to be like an actual catch, but it gets back in the water somehow. It flops in the water from the bank and I lose it. I'm surprised it was even alive after hitting that rock.
Guys, I just turned my camera off after I flipped that other one up and it came off, but it's a giant. Adios. Well folks, the thunderstorm was moving in, so I kind of had to get cut short. I only caught 3 or 4 if you want to count the one that I flipped on land and it bounced back in. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.